Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching my Next Best. In this video we've got the GlucoRx Nexus blood glucose monitoring system. This is quite widely being used in the National Health Services, and when you're pregnant or if there's any chance for developing diabetes, this is the product that's being recommended, and generally it's quite accurate in terms of its readings, and you could use a bespoke app or generally your tracking or recording to make sure that you know what recordings or what specific levels are you at in terms of your diabetes situation or general health situation. Normally the health services use a app where you have to sort of manually input, or just also get connected using the PC link, or I'm not 100% sure how it works, but either you add information manually, the recordings or the readings, or it connects through Bluetooth or some sort of stuff. We'll find out. But yeah, this is what it is. This is a little device. We've got backward screen, enzyme technology, 5 seconds timer, PC link, and 0.5 milliliters or microliters, whatever that is. ISO certified. What else do we have? It's got the meter itself, 2 AAA batteries, test strips, sterilite lancets, lancing device, and ESD card. I'm not really sure what these things are, but it's something that we should go through, and we'll have a look on the inside. Pretty much as you guys are new to this device, just trying to see what it's got in the box. So lancet device with the SD cap, control solution, instruction manual, monitoring diary, warranty card, and carry case. It's got 1 year warranty, by the way. And the features: no coding, 0.5 microliters blood volume for result in 5 seconds. So you just put in a little drop of blood over here, I suppose, and then that quickly gets you the reading. ACPC metal meal markers, ketone warning, alternative site testing, 4 alarms, discrete testing, stores 1,000 non-detectable readings with day averages, strip detection, PC link for results download. So it does need to connect to the PC. How? We'll find out. Yeah, otherwise there's nothing mentioned around the box. No new information. £20 this is worth. And on the inside you've got a little bag for storage. This bag, and there is more stuff in there. Some information around the test strips. So for in vitro diagnostic use, for single use only. Strips inside the pack, and what do we have? We've got some other devices to use, I suppose, as an advert, and control solution, stuff to read on, and just a general quick instructions manual. You got this stuff going: prick your finger, put a drop of blood on it, and you instantly get the readings. Yeah, so pretty standard instruction. And then it's got some sort of information about the device itself and some of the product, I think test strips and stuff. $8.95 for the test strips, and the lancets are $4.50 for 200 pieces. And the warranty information. So I think this is, oh, okay. So you need this registration card, and it doesn't say anything about 1 year warranty, which I thought was. And let's have a look. Doesn't say anything now. Warranty period, and days in office. No, it doesn't say anything about the time. It just says 6 months. You shouldn't register beyond the 6 months. But yeah, what else do we have? We've got the test logbook where you enter the readings. Good. And just for you knowledge, you've got insulin, key events, and all that kind of stuff before bed, after bed, during night. So that's quite useful. And finally, you've got the unit itself, which gives you some information about how you use the device and its components, contents, parts, left, front, rear, all kind of sides, and the readings, battery, recharging, and all that kind of stuff. Finally, you've got to make sure that you've done stuff the way you're supposed to. Prick your finger, take the reading, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so let's just quickly head over to the device itself. It's all zipped. Oh gosh, let me be careful. And these are the test strips in this little container, and these items are over here. This is the thing that will help to prick your finger, and then you get the blood out. It's got this little needle in there, and this one's the control solution. And finally, you've got the device itself. This is gonna need it's already turned on. Okay, so it's got some readings, the date and time, 9:55. Is it 9:55? I think it is. Yeah. Okay, good. And 10:04. Yeah, it's pretty much accurate. Not really in terms of time. It's 9:56, 9:59 over here at the moment. So the battery or something, you know, it's probably just, it's already installed with the battery. Let's have a look. It's got 2 AAA batteries already installed, and you've got this button here, which you might use. Turn on, turn off, record some stuff off, turned off. Okay. And there's this USB space to connect to the to your PC, that kind of stuff, to store recordings. Obviously it cannot be recharged because it's got the batteries, the external batteries installed. Yeah, other than that, this is pretty much how the device looks. Let me just quickly turn it on. It's got just a little screen in the front to give you an idea of how it looks like. Then you use I think it's from here. This is how it reads from this side. We might have to sort of do a little bit of research to understand how it works. But from what I see on this picture, you'd have to sort of use this thingy or the strip to just go in here in the front to then start the recording. I'm going to keep it off, turned off. So as you put the strip in, it's going to give you the readings. Right, so okay, so I'm just going to leave this as is for now, and I'll go, just keep the strips as is. It just wants to make sure that we have sterilized hands or sanitized hands. But yeah, this is pretty much of what this device is. It's got a little pouch, which is pretty decent. I like it. And all these different books and manual and the warranty card and all that stuff which goes along with this device. And this one as well, sorry. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next best. Cheers, bye-bye.